Hey manufacturing companies and the freelancers that are automation expert, this video is for you. Let's say you are a manufacturing company, you create boards, kitchen stuff, furniture, window film, wall, etc. And yeah, you should have an automation. Like whenever there is a new client, it should be sent to Joblogic or any other job creation tool where your team can track and work on the job. So you just have to create a form on like Cognito Form, on Typeform, Jotform, anywhere. Like Google Form is free, and you just have to connect here in the trigger. You have to add a step as a trigger where you can make the event as new entry and make the connection. And when you go and configure, you have to connect your form, and data will keep coming in the trigger. And after that, you have to add an action that is Joblogic here, where we will create a customer or jobs that your team will be tracking and working on that. And yeah, you can run this automation and it will be keep working on different forms. And if you are an automation expert, you can sell these automations to different companies, as it is a two-step automation, and it can even work on a free version of Zapier, as Zapier allows 2 steps in the free version, and it can give you 100 tasks. So create it for you, keep practicing, and ping me on my WhatsApp number or on my Gmail if you need help. Thank you.